Benefits of acai berries with source. Benefits. They're nutrient-dense. They're loaded with antioxidants. They may improve cholesterol levels. They may have a possible anti-cancer effect. They could boost brain function. Navitas Organics, Organic Acai Powder Review. Description: Premium. Plant-based superfood. Nutrient-dense essentials. 20 calories, plant omegas, freeze-dried, per 3 grams serving. Antioxidants, anthocyanins. Amazon Beauty Berry. Deep wild berry taste. USDA Organic. Non-GMO Project Verified. Ancient Treasure. B Corporation Certified. Kosher. Gluten-free. Vegan. Certified Organic by Control Union Certifications. BPA-free. Positive mind, positive vibes, positive life. Other ingredients. Certified Organic Acai Powder, euterpe oleracea mart. Product of Brazil. Warnings. Storage information, refrigeration recommended. Oxygen absorber include in package, do not eat. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.